If ever I had a video.
Welcome to the third video of this Dirk Hartog trip series. So in this edition we spent a bit of time driving around the island trying to avoid sharks and catching plenty of fish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy it, folks. Over to you, brother.
Nice boat.
Are we done now?
We're done.
Alright. Time for a pinky by the looks of it.
Big shark here, what do I do?
Yeah, no, my mate. Look at a bolt, pinky, yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. What are we talking here? It's a nor'wester. Yeah, it's a nice one. It's a horse, mate. It's a horse. Right, flick him up. That's it. Oh, that's a horse. That's a beauty. Yeah, that's a good 5-6 kilo fish. Hard to lift up, mate. Just coming on now, I reckon, eh? Oh, bring it in, Ray. Yes. Uh-oh. I think he's already been packed, so should have filmed it. The blood. Yeah. Is it? Feels like good fish. Oh, I think I might need a gaff. Big pinky, man. I can't lift this dog up, I don't think.
Need to hold it.
Drag him over. Whoa.
The head on that
Big dog. Big dog.
Got a photo of that one?
Ah, yeah, why not? heard was Pinky coming. Oh, the colour of it. Beautiful. Yeah. I could barely lift that up. Oh, double hookup. Double hookup. When it rains, it pours, eh? It's all those dog mackerel, isn't it? Yeah. Here we go, the stingray in his element.
Search and destroy. On the top.
It's taking in the reef, eh? Be a baldy maybe. See it, pull it around, there's that leader. What is it? Pinky. Over the top. Yep, got him. Bang. Just like that, eh?
Just like that. On the drop.
Oh, come on, Ray, get him up, get him up. Oh, another pinky. Oh, barrel roll. Bring him up.
Gotcha.
Pigeon pair. Oh no! Oh, big shark! Oh. Did you see how close that was? Oh, no, there's two. Oh no! No, he hasn't got it. Where is it? He has got it. Oh, it's 4, 5, 6. Well, on that note, that brings us to the end of this trip series. Hopefully you liked it. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.